Morning guys, we are in Boracay. So yesterday evening we reached Boracay and we were so tired from the whole journey that we just went straight to our hotel, had our dinner and just slept off. And today morning we have come to a place called Bulabog Beach. Is it Bulabog or
Bulabog Beach.
Bulabog Beach,
yeah,
for the sunrise.
Yeah. We came at around 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah, 5:30 in the morning. And literally no one was around and it was so beautiful.
Yeah.
The sunrise was so beautiful and not many people around, maybe because it's a weekday. Such a beautiful place, a lot of coconut trees around. Yeah, looks amazing.
Yeah, and the weather is just perfect, so breezy. You can come here for walks, enjoy this particular sunrise here in the Bulabog Beach.
Yeah.
It was really nice, the sunrise, and this particular island, Boracay Island, surprisingly you can see the sunrise from Bulabog Beach and sunset from White Beach, which is just like 2-kilometer walk from here. And it's so nice to have both the sunrise and sunset on the same island, you know.
Yeah, and we are staying at Piccolo Hotel,
Yeah,
and Bulabog Beach is just 10 minutes walk from our hotel. And it's not very hard as well, it's just a straight walk. So yeah, I think it's very easy to walk around this place. Yeah, so so we are just going to explore this place today, just go around and see what we can find.
We are now at White Beach in Boracay. We had our breakfast a couple of minutes back and we came to the White Beach. See how clear the water is. It's so clear, you can literally see what's down there, and the colors of the water gets, you know, darker and darker. So you have this ombre color water, you have light blue, then you have that Gatorade blue, and then there's dark blue at the end. So it's amazing, and the water is just perfect. The weather, it's not too harsh, the sun is not too harsh, and the water is just perfect for this climate. The beach stretches from one end to the other and the sand is literally white in color. The coconut trees makes this beach even more, you know, that tropical vibe and gives it such a good look.
Boracay is full of stunning sights, and one of its most iconic landmarks is Billy's Rock. This unique volcanic formation stands proudly on the shore with a small shrine of Virgin Mary at the top. It's a serene spot, perfect for taking photos and just admiring the natural beauty of the island.
It has been a long day. We started off with a sunrise at the Bulabog Beach. Then we came to the White Beach. Then we walked a little bit more ahead, around 1.5 kilometers to see the Billy's Rock. That's also a really nice place for you to take nice pictures and, you know, just walk around the beach, have some fun. I must say that, you know, it's really hot and humid during the afternoon time, so we couldn't really shoot a lot of videos that time. So we kind of had lunch and we rested up because the sun was really harsh and it was really draining our energy. So we went back to our room, rested up, and then now we are back here at the White Beach just to enjoy the sunset. Yes, Boracay is known for its sunset and you cannot miss it. And you can see a lot of Paraw Sailing right behind me, all standing in line, ready to get geared up and go into the sea just to see the sunset. So yeah, we're going to enjoy here. Our sunset is waiting for us in 1 hour or so. It's just 4:30 in the afternoon. So we're going to go and enjoy the sunset.
not getting the sun. Oh.
Are you enjoying it, Satya? I know.
Now let me tell you about the sunset parasailing. It was without a doubt the highlight of our trip. We hopped onto the traditional sailboat, and as it glided across the calm waters, we felt the cool breeze on our faces and the gentle splash of the sea at our feet. There's something so peaceful yet exciting about being so close to the water while watching the world around you slow down. And then came the sunset. Absolutely breathtaking. The sky transformed into stunning canvas of orange, pink, and purple, and for a moment everything felt so surreal. We just sat there soaking it all in, feeling like time had stopped. It's one of those experiences that goes beyond words and a perfect blend of nature, adventure, and serenity. If you're in Boracay, you absolutely cannot miss this. Sunset parasailing isn't just an activity, it's an unforgettable memory that captures the magic of the island perfectly. Trust me, it's the kind of moment you will replay in your mind long after the trip is over. If you're planning a trip, check out our travel guide. It's packed with all the details and even a sample itinerary to help you out. Just scan the QR code on the screen or hit the link in the description below. You can also find the link in the description box or scan the QR code to access the maps. It includes all the places we have visited, making it super easy for you to explore them too.